Alright, so we're gonna put this we're gonna do the install video on this Hogworks Goldtooth Lowrider ST headlight today. 2025 Lowrider ST. Let's go look at it. Get rid of that stock headlight. I'm not gonna do your traditional mount the way they do it. I'm gonna see if I can mod it a little bit to accommodate the Dominator motorcycle's headlight bubble. So first you gotta pop your beauty ring out. You just push in a little bit and turn. Okay, so the first step, what we're gonna do is you're gonna find the 3 screws. There's 2 up top, 1 down at the bottom that actually bolt your headlight into your fairing. So we're gonna take those out, they're T25s, and then you just take the whole headlight right out. So and I'm gonna put this screw back in real quick. Don't be a dummy like me. Cover your fender up. So then the headlight just comes right out. Pop your headlight. Headlights out. Now this is where I'm going to vary, because traditionally you would put this Okay, so I had to orientate it first. So traditionally it would go in there like this. So let's pull closer. So their mounting plate would go here. And then you would just screw back in. And so we're going to do that actually, because I want to drill the hole that you have to drill anyway. Because I need it. But I'm going to do something different, and I'm going to put this bracket to the back side inside the fairing, because I want to suck that headlight in as much as I can. So we will get up here like this, find our bolt hole. There we go. Get that one started. So the mount's in. This is the traditional way that Hogworks would do it, is they would put it on the outside of your fairing. Then you would drill this bottom hole. I'm gonna have to drill the hole anyway because I have to mount it. But I want this bracket on the inside of the fairing, and it's gonna give me another, I don't know, like maybe a 1/2 inch to suck in the bottom of the headlight. I need to try and miss it because I want to do that Dominator headlight lens. Well, headlight out, everything out. T25, T27. So we're gonna go up here, take your windshield off. Sorry guys, I don't like using power tools on plastic parts, so it's slow. So take the windscreen off, and then your next step is going to be to take your outer fairing off. So you get back here and you undo your bolts. I'll show you where they're at. So you're going to come down here and you're going to get these two out first on both sides. And then you're going to get these two out on both sides. And then you're going to get this one out. And then you're going to move to the outside of the bike. And then you're going to remove that one while you're holding your fairing so your shit doesn't just hit the floor. So there's your process. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. While you're holding your fairing, remove that one. So I got all the bolts except for this one, like I said. Turn your handlebars. Loosen these. They're all gone. They're all loose. They're all out, actually. So the only thing holding it is this. See, grab your headlight bucket so you don't drop your fairing mount or your outer fairing. And just remove it. Set it over to the side. Okay, so what I'm going to attempt to do, I have the fairing off, and instead of going to the outside with the mount, I'm going to try and get onto these pads because it's bringing it out, or bringing it in. So I'm going to come to the inside of this fairing, like that. Yep. So the headlight's installed in the fairing. Easy. I mean, it's literally just a few bolts. Now we're going to put it on the fairing. So, or on the bike. So they give you a tail. Plug and play. Plug in. Obviously, I'm going to secure mine. I don't have any zip ties. I will fix this. So, harness. Alright, so we're gonna go back on the bike with the fairing. But on the plus side, since I had it off, I had a gap here that I didn't like since I got the bike, and I figured out why. It was just not clipped in right, which is, I guess. Hardly. We're gonna get our T27. Plug in. Easy as that. And then tuck that right, and then we just go back on with the fairing. First screw. Now you can let it go. Don't force them. All back together. Wipe all your grimy prints off. And then we'll pull